Hello GMAT Janta, Trick 23 Quant 45 to 51 presented by Mission MBA. Today we are going to tell you one important thing you need to keep in mind while giving your GMAT exam. Always focus on prime numbers. They are very unique. One thing to note is that they just have two factors. One is 1 and the other is the number itself. GMAT loves to exploit you over this particular concept. How? Let us see. Before that, please click the bell icon and subscribe to our channel so that you never miss an update and stay updated for the most GMAT relevant content and GMAT tricks and traps. So the question is, find the value of A if A and B are positive integers. So always keep in mind that A and B are positive integers. Be very careful with this kind of data. Now we are given the question as 8 to the power 6 equals to B square plus 127. Seems impossible in one go. One equation, two variable. But you have already seen that there is nothing like this in GMAT. The first thing that comes to our mind is 8 to the power 6 minus B square equals to 127. And applying some basic factorization, which take it to a cube minus b and a cube plus b equals to 127. Now, we are down to this part, but then we get stuck. How we have come to this point is simple, by applying a square minus b square. But now what to do ahead? The point is focus on prime number. This can be only written in the form of 1 multiplied by 127. If the numbers which are multiplied are integers. And in our case, yes, A and B are positive integers. So these two numbers have to be integers. And the only way of multiplying two integers and getting a prime number is 1 into prime number. That's what I tell you. Focus on prime numbers. If a prime number is written in the format of A into B and A and B are integers, then they have to be 1 and the number itself. Now clearly this has to be 127 and this has to be 1 because A and B both are positive. So A cube plus B will be definitely greater than A cube minus B. Addition of two positive numbers is greater than the subtraction or difference of two positive numbers. So now I have my equations. A cube plus B is equals to 127 and A cube minus B equals to 1. I won't have got it if I wouldn't have analyzed this particular point that 127 is prime and can be written in only one form, that's 1 into 127. Now you can solve it, add this is gone. I get 2a cube equals to 128, a cube equals to 64 and hence a is equals to 4. I hope you have got it. The answer is C and that makes it very simple and you can also deal with these questions. Just remember, if you see a prime number written as product of two numbers, always see it is only one possibility, 1 into prime number. I hope you are enjoying the series. Please stay tuned, share with your friends and let us know what actual tricks you're looking for. What topic is troubling you? We assure you that we'll make a video and post it as soon as possible. Thank you and have a nice day.